President, Prime Minister, it's a pleasure to welcome the Croatian presidency of the European Union, a state that gained its independence recently, but has shown that has been a reliable member of the European Union. I thank Prime Minister Plenković for endorsing dialogue between Catalonia and Spain. Catalonia is today an European internal affair and will be present during the Croatian presidency. Therefore, a political solution must be found through dialogue and negotiation. The EU must advance to find common democratic mechanism for self-determination. Repression cannot be an acceptable solution. Now it's time for European politicians to speak up and show to the world that is the better way, that the right of self-determination is the best and the most democratic way to solve territorial conflicts, not only in Europe, but all around the world.